Nothing was on the offense. Everything's been a defensive move because I'm being called a liar and a gold digger. And I'm not lying about any of this, and I am not after a dime of your money. And you know what? I was told by Laura after the first meeting, the thing, the reason that I stupid clicked I'm seeking spousal support because I was told that that was my only option because no divorce attorney would ever say not and then lose all rights to everything. Laura Wasser had proposed that I leave, not proposed, I'm sorry, said I would have to leave. I'd be kicked out, be evicted, so Rock and Josh and everybody, evicted within 21 days.
No, but I told you, last time we spoke, I told you that you were fine. You stay there 2, 3, 4 months, whatever. Just figure it out. We'll figure it out. You stay there. You be.
I thought that too.
That be in your home.
21 days.
Be in your home.
No, I thought that too. And no, they told me 21 days. That is part of why this is the disconnect. This is the thing. Like that's why I clicked yes, seeking spousal support because that's the only way I didn't waive the right to stay in my home. That's how up this, like, I am having to do everything, every step I've had to make, but my hand is forced in it by really up aggressive moves made on your team's behalf. And now I've got to prove myself every step of the way, and it only hurts you. I don't want to hurt you. I love you.
It's hurting you. It's hurting you. And it's hurting me. But the worst thing is, it's hurting...
It becomes court...
Do you want to go to court, Amber? Seriously? Do you want to go to court with this? I'm offering you right now an opportunity for us to make this finish in peace. Peaceful, man. We walk away. You go do what you gotta do. I'll go do what I gotta do. I've been through the hurt. You've been through the hurt. I love you more than anything in life. I do not want to go into a court with you. I do not want to tarnish your name. I don't want to tarnish. I don't want enough. I want this to be done peacefully between us. And if you don't like the way that mediation is going, take me back to court, kid. Because I can't. This is the last chance, Amber. This is it. Once they file those papers, we don't turn around, man. And I know you hate me, and I know you I'm telling you now, there is no call. It doesn't need to happen like this. Please, for sake, trust me, man. I was not going to help you in this. Nobody's going to help you in this. I'm trying to help you in this. I love you. Regardless of whether we're together or not. I love you. And I have loved you. With everything in the world. Whether your love was real or not. I love you. And I want this... Hey.
Can you hear me?
Of course everything I said was not heard, right?
I don't know where...
I know. What I was trying to say is this. Continuing through court is going to end up nothing but bad. For you and for me. It's just going to be bad. In any case. No matter whether we ruin each other or not. It's going to be heartbreaking. It's terrible. Let's write a mutual letter that says, look, we in lieu of what's transpiring out there in the world with all this crazy we've decided to take this private. We're not going to go to court right now over this. We're going to try to work something out together. And then at least, at the very least, I know you want to respond and I know you want to defend yourself. Listen to me. Defending yourself by throwing someone under the bus is not going to look good.
I'm not, it's not about that. It would not be about me throwing you under the bus. You know what it would be? It would be released through documented people coming on the record and having the protection to do so that haven't had yet. It would be eyewitness statements. It would be evidence, tons of it, and it would be through years. And it would be unbelievable, unbelievable to imagine that either I'm in a secret fight club, or B, I've had
A secret what?
I've had a secret fight club, or that I have been plotting to do this for 3 years, and while taking pictures of it and documenting it, just saving it up for the right time when I'm not asking for any money and have nothing financial to gain from it. But no one is going to believe that. No one is going to believe that one of the two alternatives, either I'm in a fight club, or I've been going through hair and makeup, or going through makeup through all these years, where I have corroborating text messages between people that match those dates of those timestamp validated photos of either corroboration between people hearing us, or corroboration of next day, Whitney sending text message to Kevin, him responding, or the kind of stuff like between me and people in your life. It is insanely cross corroborated. Then it is a plan. I'm going to put makeup on myself and take pictures throughout years and just sit on it for years. That while having this like imaginary life run parallel to it. Do you understand that the pictures I have match with like text messages to my mom back and forth about it, and text messages between, say, Raquel and my mom, or Raquel and my dad, or between my two friends. Or there's a text message where I tell Jody the night before I had that James Corden night show thing, where I say, hey Jody, I've had an accident. I think I have a busted lip. I may have a busted nose and 2 black eyes tomorrow, because I don't know how bad it will be until the morning, and we may have to cancel. But the appearance, I don't know how. I'm icing it. I'll let you know in the morning, and things like that. It doesn't matter. There is nothing, and all of that won't be me throwing you under the bus. That will be evidence in this case, which it will be criminal as well, because I cannot go on Friday and file without filing a police statement first. And the only reason I haven't filed that police statement, which has been used against me, by the way, every day, and the only reason I won't do it, I haven't done it, is because I don't want to hurt you, and that means it goes out of my hands. And we had a third party prosecutor come, and a criminal lawyer come, and they went like, the problem is, hearing from you, like, your biggest struggle is that it's the most solid evidence case of domestic violence I've ever seen. And if you give this over to them or present any part of it, they will prosecute him. And I felt like I would never want that for you. Because it's hard for me to even understand. I don't call myself, like, in my head, it's hard for me to even accept any sort of victimdom ever. And
Amber, listen, I understand, and I don't want to hurt you either. I'm only going to say this. I love you. I love you. And I've always loved you. And I know that, look, you do whatever you feel you have to do. I'm telling you now, it's a mistake to go to court. But if you want to go to court, we'll go to court. I would rather take care of it a different way. I think it would be very good for you, and I think it would be very good for me. But you know what,
I've been called a liar,
baby,
and I've been called
Baby.
a gold digger.
Baby.
Everyone is.
Baby. Amber, I didn't call you those things. I didn't call you those things.
It is all from your side, and if you don't believe me, then why are we talking? It's so pointless to even talk like we trust or love or respect each other at all if you don't believe me what I'm saying. And you know it, and I know you. I respect you too much to pretend for a second that you don't know these facts, and you know it.
Okay, and
please.
do you remember me 15 minutes ago saying, let me make a call, let me get on this, and I'll try and get back in touch with you? Okay?
Yeah.
So, let's not jump. Let's not jump on me, okay?
I'm not trying to jump on you. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna try and get through, see what the is going on, see what the has been happening, and I will get back to you. I'll call your mom. And but I you know, I hope
I don't want it to go past. I didn't want any of it. I don't want it to be.
It's been going on too long, Amber. And we just gotta stop this. Just gotta stop it.
I don't know how to get my reputation back.